The thing that's special about the Research Triangle Park campus is the history and the connection to the local universities and all the talent that we have in this area.
The culture is one of, I think, continual improvement. I think that goes into both learning and relationally. I think it's one where we're always trying to build each other up.
The people at Biogen are very passionate and very caring individuals. They really love what they do.
The people are actually my favorite thing about Biogen, and we have a good time together as well. So I think the culture it's more of a family. So that's one of the things that keeps me here.
What I like about RTP is that I love that our campus has so much greenery. I love that when you walk around, there's a trail through woods that you can walk to.
Just taking some time for myself and really getting some fresh air is a huge benefit. The cafeteria is also another great amenity that we have here.
The cafeteria staff know us and we know them.
We also have an on-site daycare, so that definitely helps with people being able to come to work and have their children right there with them. And it's also for us who don't have kids in the daycare, it's kind of cool because their playground is right outside and we hear them laughing and having a good time. So I consider that a perk as well.
The gym is also another factor of just having it on-site where you can take a lunch, go take a walk on the treadmill, go work out, take a shower, and hit back to work. That's also another huge amenity.
The type of individuals who are most successful at Biogen are those who are open to new things, keeping an open mind and not being afraid to ask the hard questions.
Just being able to pivot, having that adaptability, curiosity, eagerness to learn, and to just put your hands on and help, that's really how you can learn the fastest and bring pretty immediate impact on the team.
It's a company that is really focused on being innovative and utilizing strategy, and an individual that is not fearful, and an individual that is very focus driven on purpose and having an idea will be very successful here at Biogen.